In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hand off your Adobe XD design files to your development team seamlessly. This process ensures that your developers have all the necessary tools and information they need to bring your creative vision to life without any hitches. Let's dive into it. Start by opening the XD document that contains the artboards you wish to hand off. It's important to remember that your design needs to be properly prepared for handoff, which leads us to our first point. Make sure that you've marked all the exportable assets. You can do this by selecting each element and marking it for export. This will allow developers to easily download the assets they need, such as images or icons, directly from the handoff links. Next, ensure that your artboards are wired and the flows are set up correctly. This part is crucial as it allows developers to understand the intended navigation and interaction flows within the app or website. Once you've ensured everything is set, switch to the Share mode in Adobe XD. In the Share panel, begin by giving your link a descriptive title. This is important because it helps developers identify the version or specific screen set they are going to be working with. When it comes to choosing the view setting, select the preset labeled Development, or its equivalent if your version varies. This preset activates design specs along with developer-friendly inspection tools, perfect for viewing and scrutinizing details of the design. Under the Export for section, choose the correct platform, be it web, iOS, or Android. This selection ensures developers see the design specifics in their relevant context, which is vital for a seamless development process. Don't forget to check the Downloadable Assets option if you're keen on allowing developers to download the assets you previously marked. Setting link. Access permissions is the next task. Decide carefully who should have access by choosing among anyone with the link Only Invited People or password-protected options. These settings help secure the design's confidentiality and ensure that only the right people, such as developers and project managers, have access. Once everything is set, click Create Link or Publish, and give Adobe XD a moment to generate or upload this link. After that, copy the link and share it with your development team. The team will access all the artboards in either Grid or Flow view right from their browser. They'll be able to inspect element properties, including size, position, color, and typography specifics. Additionally, they can effortlessly download any assets marked for export, whether it's an SVG, PNG, or PDF, to name a few. One of the great features is the ability for developers to switch between spec view and prototype view, which is especially helpful if your design includes interaction or handoff flows. Should you update the design, whether fixing bugs or adjusting layouts, you can simply use the Update Link feature. This ensures your team utilizes the same URL, maintaining continuity and clarity throughout the development process. And there you have it, a straightforward method for handing off your Adobe XD design files to your developers. Let's move on together, bridging the gap between design and development with ease.